On the US burger.
We are talking about
Charlie, me see you. Now me to make a Montana. Me my agent the whole tackle the 15 years ni. I found a burger. Charlie kakra one home.
Agent.
I don't for music and you no I say. Me the way me catch music to me catch and say.
Baba ka you kuma si ya ba.
Charlie.
You take crew and ya ba.
Me nya.
Eti ya ba na e be pet dey baby e dey beto.
I didn't know buy them na mama as a friend. Me the whole tackle dey open that ko pay baby homeless. Me na man be more than it 2 year your friend saying airport rage. Me baby me ye bibia mo. Me see nega na ye ko no hono no Atemuda. Oh, nek ono kakra wono US burger no be December. Ma say bibi ntina o wa broche na bibi ntina me maka che ni say me yada mo so ade no.
One in one dance here for it. But I mean can't show. And if you look for the abana here. Massa, me pet. Hey, me over here, solid film them. Hey, between what time between like be say. As why you crowd charge no the account. No me chop money me dem. Na when you know the same.
Ghana Zacheus, me say only me Akrugu, me say only me try mu fake ana. Oh, Jack, mama.
Hey, Jack, me mama can't show your business ni nyina ye. So business now oh ye no. You see pe me be da ya so betwe ba me chiro say sadi way e fake a wait no.
Oh, Charlie, no lie. Let me try fake that. The whole tackle day. Like you na man be more than. So I say. Charlie, my year me Charlie, no lie. No lie. No. Oh, Charlie, Gani kakra wonu mo.
And if you are for the
you see anybody you do.
Charlie,
Gani kakra wonu.
God.
Yeah.
Champion.
I spotted some goods. Yeah. They said that because of that lockdown, it is very unfortunately and persuasion.
Hello.
You are here?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm coming. Right. So, I will call them right now and see what, like, we can, very contributions. You know what about that? Okay. So, I will very attentive and graduation about that. You are talking to Mr. Hanson. You see, say, I just come here because I want to settle back. You see, the place where I'm there now, the airport rich house. I have over 10 cars there. And the last time you see, I give a friend Shatawale 1 car, and I see Shatta. I call Shatta that Shatawale should come to my house and perform for me to dance. Shatta said I'm sleeping, and then I collect my car from Shatawale. Yeah. The same thing, Stonewhite did the same thing. I collect my car from Stonewhite. Now, Sakwade call me last evening that the car that Shatawale and Stonewhite rejected, he want to come and perform for me, and I'll give them the car. I had 3 Range Rovers. Yeah, the Bugatti. Oh, the Bugatti. Yeah. I'll call you back. I get some on visitors, so I'll get back to you included apostrophe time. Okay. All right, bye. All right. Yeah.
Landlord, good evening.
Yeah, evening.
Everything fine.
Everything
I've
is.
been calling your number, but it seems you are not picking.
Oh, you know what? Like I'm in busy list. I'm busy list already. Some of the. You see, my mom is still US. I tell my mom to come. I just give him private jet for my mom to come. He still say.
But that doesn't matter though. These are the people they sent my money to me the other time.
About
accommodation. We talk about the other
accommodation.
Accommodation. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where are the agents?
I am the agent.
I know the you are the.
These are the people coming to
the clients for the house.
Yes, please.
Which are the people?
These are the people. This is honorable.
This
is honorable Akrugu.
Honorable.
Yeah.
And what is this?
This is Ghana Zacheus.
Yeah, Ghana Zacheus.
He look like animal.
Oh,
that's like we used to.
It's not an. It's not an.
It's not. You know they do like small boys when his stomach is running. What is the name?
This is not an animal.
The tree is bianta.
It's not an animal.
No, animal. That's what we put here.
It's not an animal. It's not an animal.
Yeah, what's your name?
Ghana Zacheus.
Ghana
Zacheus.
And you?
Look at my face. I'm Akrugu Baba, aka our Febia. Handsome man.
See, why did you bring such things to my house?
Landlord, please.
So they are coming and rent my house.
Yes, please.
So imagine say in the dawn, like 1 a.m. I want to urinate and I come out and see such this thing. If it were you, what will you do? Will you faint?
I will take it.
You will take it what?
Easy.
This face easily. What about this one? Why did you bring ghosts to my house?
They are not gods, they are human beings.
Human beings? Ah, why? Hey,
Oh, I'm not a ghost.
this is human personalities. They are more than human beings.
Landlord, please, is the room ready for them? Because they are already...
No. Let me introduce them to my house. Because I don't want any, like, fight in the house.
Oh, they are cool. They are cool. They are very, very cool. Who said, "Son, I'm on TP, the DNA brofuna, so I think, but and that's some of us on can say, Danny, they are ready.
This face is alcoholable.
Okay.
So I said, but no, on say Abrofono, say,
no,
come on, that's one man of receipt and I be so I said, many cancer send receipt and man or WhatsApp.
I will call you back, okay? I will call you back. I get a visitors. I will call you back, okay?
Okay. Catch and say one and
I don't have problem with them.
Okay.
Papa, their face is very alcoholable and scalable.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Oh my God! If I give the house to them to rent, I have to go and build another house because I can't sleep. I will get the bad dreams. No, this is not easy. You can't bring this human being to my house, US. No.
Is their room
This
ready?
It's ready. It's ready. How much did this one give you?
This one, he said he need a now so per down there. Chamber and hall. Yeah,
And this one?
This one room self-contained.
One room
self-contained.
I get chamber and hall.
If there is even an air condition, he likes it.
I can appropriate air condition inside for him.
Okay.
He is buying it for the self.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that one no problem.
Let's go.
Charlie,
hello. Yeah, hello. Hello. Yeah.
Other clients in Premier was and
okay.
Many much if you're running.
Okay, no problem.
Bless.
We see you again.
I will call you back. I'll call you back, okay?
Lord, please, see, as I've brought them, please take good care of them.
No persuasion.
I am easily also sorting some people out there.
Excursion?
Yes, I'm sorting some people over there.
Oh, that is very entertainable. You can go.
Thank you so much.
Take the leave.
Always welcome.
Yeah, take the leave. But expecting the call, expecting the call. Candidly, call me when you reach home.
All right.
Okay.
Sit down. I'm showing this man house before you.
What you don't have?
The place you will sleep.
Okay. What's it?
Okay. No.
Yeah. Come on. Did you born in Ghana?
Oh, I'm born Ghana.
It means your mother is Ghana?
Oh, if you are cross my yeah.
Hey, then Hollow people stay that time, pa. I'll go excursion there.
What's it there?
I'll go excursion there.
Such
human being, you there? Many people like you there. Then I'll go to excursion there. Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Oh.
Let's go. Mr. Man, you say what be your name?
Akrugu. Hey. That's the
Pakwesi.
Yeah.
You, this is the house you said you want. You want what house?
What's it there?
This is the chamber and hall.
Chamber and hall. What's it there?
Chamber and hall.
This is chamber and hall.
Yeah.
W. Where not chamber hall? I say I did chamber and hall.
Yeah, this is a house.
Papa, we okay there?
What is okay?
We okay.
Chamber and hall, I give you place. You can put your eyes here when you are going to sleep. When you wake up in the morning, you take your ice bag because your ice is big like Intropo. The one you use to do soup. Intropo. Intropo.
Okay.
So you take your ice bag. I don't want your ice to make the house full, so that you can put someone your TV and your deck in the house. So this is your house. Let's go. You go take the key. Yeah, unfortunately.
We okay.
You see?
What do you, Papa?
Aha.
We must just get up and pay that devil. Who the troubles in the baby? Ah, that will be saying.
Who say troubles?
Ah, who will be saying? Troubles in the baby. Hey, Master,
see human being who gets angry. See,
Master, before you
hey,
we can't remember police.
No.
What do you mean?
Let your eyes come.
Ah,
Ade.
wow, drop a baby cook.
Enkukobu.
Hi.
Ade wajimi ana.
What boy that?
Masa ni kasa ye no me dan.
Ah,
Ene ne kasa no ma dan.
me can I say?
Ah, enkukobu do de.
Well, Paddy, I am about to do that.
He said,
Mammy, give me the room.
see. Your eyes. It's very scary.
Hello?
Ooh, Scooby-Doo. You look like Scooby-Doo.
You know Scooby-Doo.
I'll give you this house.
This one.
Yeah. You like it?
Pepe. That's where Kubo.
Let's go.
Don't know why you edit it on the channel here.
Let's go, Mr. Man. This is you like it? No, tomorrow morning come for the key.
Ah, I told you.
Because today is coming show you the house.
Mommy, your boy.
You can't. No, this ice. No. When I give you the key, you go there and you enter. I will not come inside the house again because when you go, I can't go there again. Your eyes.
Hey.
Oh man.
Come.
What?
Mama can't tell you. So what would tell you? What would tell you? That's a white grab for them, but that will be true.
What drink put down? What drink put down?
I say, if you go to US, you go to smoke.
What is that?
Okay.
Aye.
What we make that one?
The way your eyes is big. When you go see inside, I can't go there again. Your eyes is very scrutum.
Mama can't tell you.
Alright. Yeah, your friend, his face look at Apontibicious. Apontibicious.
You know about it.
Your face. It is a Apontibicious. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. So how many bed inches will you buy?
Oh,
this your short?
No problem.
Hey.
6 inches.
You buy bed like this, go ash foam. They will do your size bed for you.
Don't worry.
Let's go.
Papa say abofra baby mattress plana metaso. What the children dan. Yeah, point.
Let's go.
What boy that do?
Mate pa. Hey, I don't need to trouble.
Yo, so come, let me show you. This is your house. 1 room self-contained.
Me tiny.
1 room self-contained.
1 room self-contained.
Your short and this house? Yeah, it's the same. So go inside, let me see.
Ah! Hey!
Come on, go inside, let me see.
Go inside. Hey! Jame! Who can see the diablo hana? Masa, me try kwasi sika ma me dan kwasi abuo mu. Se me yan kramai. Me ka se me pe bia yan ponche.
You don't like it?
Me ka se me pe bia yan twamwa. Masa, se wunni na wunni na won pass na o ma me dan. Sika ma me. Ah, what do you mean? Why you are telling you to send here as a free Jamaica? Who point Tampia? Me check travel. Me put tramo. Who don't perform the abroad? Who wants to make Ghana Zacheus the shortest man? Me a weak.
Hey, be humble. Come here.
I can be humble.
Come here.
But if I get quick-tempered right now,
quick-tempered? You fight
run
me
away from your own house.
This is your house. Because you short man like when I give you big house, you are going to destroy the house. You will sleep place like this. You will sleep. Imagine this is the big of the house. This is the gate. See, short man like you will sleep here. This small part. No, it is big. It is big. Yeah, you will sleep this small part. You waste all here. Also, why can't you take this one?
Me say wha e ye wasem.
You are very unconscious.
Me na me tua me sika. Me say wuntimi afam sika ma me.
You are very screwed on a sofa ball. Huh? Why are you doing yourself fabulous like that? Are you paying another fly?
Hey, America burger. And I won't come fancy.
Now, because some lady men come fancy and come and can.
We are come for pa.
What some kind of papa?
And you go one more say yes. Akrugu. Akrugu. What in fancy? What in fancy? What can fancy?
Unipa. Akwena some kind of dino. Make that done there where you think to me baba hina me hwe hawa. Ebi am nyini ye confusion wo fi ode bayam. Sana some kind ye dine papa.
Na za wo what then why wo say wo go bu ya fa.
Oh no. Oh no.
Akrugu
Actually, I mean.
Huh?
Akrugu.
Yeah.
Send your cheers out for now. Send me no da ya ye no. Yenwie no yenko.
Oh no. Na me jagol. Na me hwe hawa.
Dadwa wo mu.
Oh mehu. Ye jagol. Na me hwe hawa ebi ani bufu e. Obeye ntina me sheda be che ni we because me mpe wo ma wo akoma wo me fie ha.
What's that?
No.
Be
Bisamantem ha. Wo di ko bi se mi di.
Me ba bi so ase. What's that can be my popo mani ate waka uti.
No, me sheda na adan wo di menyipe. Me sheda me hwe hawa me client bi odem mu hawa nipa no me nyini nya asem a obewe attitude. It is very on dragonetical or dragoness. Let's go.
Come on.
Na kin yen come can ready.
It me na obesesa na.
No. Mema na oto a ese wo fro dem.
Akrugu.
Mama oto a ba kan na.
Okay, na me jab. Bye.
I'm the you game be enwa. Ebo abede quick run.
Sure.
Move to the left. Move to the right. Move to the left. Move to the right. You go dance. If I dance, you go dance. If I dance, you go dance. If I dance, you go dance. If I dance. Sure.